You're listening to leadai.dev, GitHub Copilot's new merge conflict resolution feature, a game changer for collaboration. GitHub Copilot now resolves merge conflicts directly in pull requests, streamlining collaboration and reducing errors for developers. What shipped? According to leadai.dev, GitHub has introduced a new capability that allows GitHub Copilot to assist developers in resolving merge conflicts within pull requests. This feature operates by recognizing comments that mention at Copilot, activating the AI's capabilities to suggest resolutions. This functionality is particularly useful in environments with multiple contributors, where conflicts can arise frequently. The ability to resolve merge conflicts directly in the pull request interface enhances usability and integration. Specific API endpoints for integration are not disclosed yet, but this feature will be rolled out in the coming updates. Direct integration with pull request comments. Real-time conflict resolution suggestions based on code context. Why this matters. This new feature primarily benefits teams with multiple developers working on the same code base, especially those handling over 500 pull requests per month. By using Copilot for conflict resolution, teams can reduce the time spent on manual error checking and troubleshooting, which can consume hours of development time. Compared to traditional methods where developers had to manually resolve conflicts using command line tools like Git, this automation provides a significant efficiency boost. The downside is that while Copilot can suggest resolutions, it may not always understand the business logic behind the code, requiring developers to validate its suggestions. How to take advantage. If you're using GitHub for collaborative development, here's what to do. Start by ensuring your GitHub Copilot is enabled in your repository settings. When a merge conflict arises, simply leave a comment on the pull request tagging at Copilot. The AI will analyze the conflict and suggest resolutions directly in the comments. You can implement this feature within the next week as part of your regular pull request workflow. For further enhancements, consider setting up a dedicated review process for validating Copilot suggestions to ensure quality control. What to watch? As with any AI-driven feature, monitor the quality of the suggestions made by Copilot for merge conflict resolutions. There may be instances where the AI suggestions do not align with the intended functionality of the code. Additionally, keep an eye on GitHub's roadmap for potential updates to this feature, as it may evolve with more advanced capabilities in the future. This feature is currently in a phased rollout, so expect to see broader accessibility and enhancements in the coming months. Thank you for listening, leadai.dev. Key takeaways. Teams managing over 500 pull requests monthly can save significant time by leveraging Copilot for conflict resolution. Using at Copilot reduces manual error checking by providing real-time suggestions, improving overall code quality. Developers must validate Copilot suggestions to ensure alignment with project requirements. Market signals. Increased efficiency. Expect a measurable decrease in time spent resolving merge conflicts across collaborative projects. What to do next? If you're experiencing frequent merge conflicts in your team of 5 or more, start using at Copilot this week to streamline your process. If your team is spending more than 10 hours per week on manual conflict resolution, implement this feature to reduce that time by up to 50%. If your current merge conflict process is slowing down releases, evaluate the Copilot integration over the next 30 days to assess its impact. This has been leadai.dev. Stay building.